Told you Timmy was going to devise up some kind of bowl. Oh, yeah.
Watch my eyelashes.
What'd you say?
You're not my family. Oh no, these people, they kidnapped me and took me.
Don't say that. I'm her daddy. I'm her daddy. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Greg. This is Katie, my daughter. If you go back a few videos ago, she actually did a video where she lifted this motorcycle up off the ground and said if she got 40 likes on that video that she'd go moto camping with us. Well, today's that day. She actually got 1,000 likes on that video. So today's the day she goes moto camping with us. We got to go meet up with Timmy first and we'll get up there. I don't know how much film we'll do on the way up. Don't know if we'll ride a bunch of gravel or not today. Trying to keep her as safe as possible. So let's get up towards the mountains and see what we can get into today. All right, everybody, we off to meet Timmy. Katie's back there, ain't you, Katie?
Yeah.
I can see her. Hey, Katie.
Hey.
And she's got a communication device that we're testing out too for a review video. So we'll all be connected once we get to Timmy. Let's get on the road and get up towards that way and do some camping, huh, Katie?
Yep.
Katie might end up liking moto camping, huh?
I don't know.
So y'all comment down below and tell her that she might have to be in some more videos if she likes it enough. I figured it'd be a little bit harder riding her with all this camping gear and stuff on here too, because it's loaded down, but the old V-strom 650's handling it like a champ. Timmy's around here somewhere, I think. He should be here. Yeah, see him over there, you see him?
No, I don't even know where you're looking.
You're right over there. Alright, we fueled up. We tried to get all three of these intercoms to pair together. For some reason they won't do it. But Katie's still back there. Ain't you, Katie?
Yeah.
And I'll try to connect Timmy's later. I don't know how to do it. They're two different brands, so we can't get them to pair. You can hear Katie for right now.
Yeah.
And away we go. Still making our way along. Katie's still liking it, I guess. Now this is Katie's only second time riding a motorcycle, ain't it, Katie?
No.
On the street?
This is my fourth.
Fourth time?
I rode with Papa.
Oh, okay. Well, it's Katie's fourth trip. I don't know if she's ever been to the mountain curves, but it ain't gonna be. We're not doing nothing too stupid today. We're not going too fast or nothing, because the bike's loaded down with camping gear and an extra person, and try to keep her as safe as possible.
Your old motorcycle skipping.
Yeah, what now?
Your motorcycle skipping, or maybe the...
That's why I told you that's that chain noise.
Yeah, I don't like that noise.
I don't either.
That don't sound so good. It sounds like it's skipping.
I know. I thought that front sprocket was gonna fix it, but it didn't. Get a new chain and everything, hope for the best. I don't want to miss the road. I can't remember where it's at. Up here somewhere.
What?
Earl's Ford Road.
The what?
Earl's Ford Road, where we're going camping at. It's up here somewhere. I just don't know. It might be right here. It wasn't too far up this road, I don't think. I've only been on it one time. I missed the road, y'all. I wasn't paying attention. Now you go over here and turn around. Well, Katie lost intercom, but we turned around. I missed the road. Dang it. I want Katie to come out on comms. I don't know where she went. Just went out. Well, this is Earl's Ford Road. You back on, Katie? Katie? Katie?
Yeah.
Okay.
You and Mama been down here.
No, we ain't never been down here. You can camp on that creek right there. I think there's one spot right there. It's not a very good camp spot though. I don't even think it is a camp spot. Oh, Katie, it's your first time on gravel. We're gonna try to avoid all the big potholes because we got so much weight on here. pretty cool though, isn't it? The creek running down beside it right there. One camp spot right there. Let's take a look at this one, see what it's like first. That's a pretty good campsite, isn't it? Katie, what'd you think of your first ride up through the mountains and stuff? What'd you think? They don't understand nodding. What you think?
I don't know what to think.
She said she didn't like the gravel road part. Look, Timmy said on the last video he got tired of the squeaky bit. Well, maybe not in the last video, but oh yeah, boy got new Tech 7s. What? You got him. Can't do with him.
No squeaky.
Yeah. Walk around right down here. Got a little fire pit, of course, and a good flowing deep creek. It's a little steep going down there, but there's the creek. We're gonna get camp set up, get tent set up. I'm gonna put Katie to work and let her set the tent up. So get that started and see what happens. See how she does with it.
Wanting that water up now.
I know, I do lift it like that. Hold on to it. Pull yours to wherever you get it to. Well, Katie, show them what you're going to eat for the first time, because this is a staple here. Look at that. Katie's going to eat some Buying weenies, or sausages, whatever people call them. Jalapeno flavor. Give them a try, Katie. See what you think about them. Think about it. Huh? Give them the feedback on the taste test.
She tastes like a weenie.
Is it delicious?
All I taste is weenie.
Oh gosh. They're delicious. I'm gonna eat me some too. A little different creek access down here. A little easier to get down to fill the water.
All I'm gonna do is make this water crossing in the seatways.
You gonna do what?
All I'm gonna do is, it's shallow up there. All we gotta do is make this water crossing in the seatways.
Make it. Take it. Do it! It was so deep right there. It was so deep. Seekway. Seekway. What did you say? Shady said we're not her family. Oh, that's funny. I'm gonna try to go across here too. Let's go, K-Boo. Let's go.
I'm shivering.
I know.
That's how cold.
It's cold, it ain't. It's cold.
Dude, this is cold.
Firewood.
Dude.
Firewood.
What?
This is Captain Morgan on the seatway.
Seekway.
It is the way.
Out all this acting and stuff, what we do. This is our normal stuff. What'd you say a while ago, Katie does? What'd you say?
You're not my family.
Come on now. Flowers. Oh. Flowers for the first time moto camping girl. This is traversing a creek channel now. Why'd you do this?
Katie says she found a dinosaur. A dinosaur. Says she found a dinosaur.
Where's that? Heck yeah. What's that, a brontosaurus? Was it there? Did you do it?
See, I know some of our stuff we do ain't thoroughly entertaining to everybody, but just being out here, this is why you go moto camping. Especially dispersed moto camping, so you can see our little fields, go walking in creeks, just mess around. Just be one with nature. Like I said, sometimes we're a nature channel. Just be one with nature. And it got Katie up to do something, so
one win for today. See what else we can get another win on. Let's do it. Here you go, okay, you got it. Thank you, Cody.
Yeah, he's gonna build a fire.
Stack just like you got on this side. Keep on building it up. Keep on getting some more. You did it, didn't you? I'm trying to teach her a little bit something. She might not ever go camping again on a motorcycle or in a tent period after this, who knows? But maybe she'll learn a little something. Or maybe she'll enjoy a part of it, or I don't know.
Finger.
Huh?
I burnt my finger.
She burned her finger. Maybe she'll enjoy some of it and have some kind of a memory from it anyway. Who knows? Yeah. Go ahead, you can use the pump.
I don't know how to do
Start
it.
the fire. Just all you gotta do, point it towards us. All you gotta do. Get down there. Yeah.
I'm scared.
Blow it that way. Keep it on there. Get closer. There you go.
Woo! It's coming back at me. I don't like that.
What?
Why is it so much?
That's the pump, Katie. The long Tim. What we call, aka the Grumpy pump.
It's super powerful.
It feels good though. When you say it like this.
You're so goofy.
Watch my eyelashes. My eyelashes fly.
You didn't get that, did you? My girl's made out of a fishnet in my ass. That's a grumpy girl. Girl, you want me to throw you off a cliff?
What'd you say about it?
It's a fishnet. That's not a grill.
Fishnet. That's
Ain't
a grumpy
fishnet.
grill.
That's the Grumpy grill.
You wanna know how I feel about that?
See, you can do us. I'm pretty sure. You can do us.
See, you can't do this. You goofy like we are.
It ain't like I just met you. I've known you your whole life, so yeah, you.
Oh no, these people, they kidnapped me and took me.
Don't say that. I'm her daddy. I'm her daddy. Well, Timmy's cooking spaghetti and hamburger meat sauce. We cooking the whole 9 yards, toast and everything. We'll show you all that when we get ready to do that. But he told Katie to hold them, and look, she dropped them all off the ground. All of them, not all of them. We had a few left that he didn't put in there yet. So look at it, dropped them all.
Okay, thank you, Katie.
All right, here's what we got so far for cooking wise. It's got some water in there. These little throwaway tin pans with our noodles in it. Keep that covered up. Of course, we're using the Grumpy grill. You're gonna boil them, heat them noodles up. Timmy's got some devised plan to cook some hamburger meat and the sauce to make a bowl out of aluminum foil, I think. I don't know really what he's got planned. We'll see about that, Katie. We're trying to go big for your first time moto camping.
I ate a noodle off the ground.
The food's coming along. It's cooking in there. You don't know if y'all can hear that on camera. That's sizzling, but noodles are getting soft. They got a little brown on them because they got heat up from over there. But
They're boiling now.
they're boiling now, yeah.
We'll get them.
So they cooking.
On the fire.
Oh yeah, ragu it up. Ragu it up. Hear it bubble? Got that coldness on there. It really started bubbling, didn't it?
Yep. Katie wants spaghetti, but she don't want to help cook it. Poor little girl.
This is what you do when you take teenage daughters camping right there. They play on their phones, even though she has no service.
Yeah,
She's just playing the game that's already done. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. Leave us a comment down below if you got teenage kids, boys or girls. Is this what they do all the time?
Yeah, we don't know.
I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. Trying.
On spy. I am the island boy. I'm the island boy. I like to do what boys do. I'm an island boy. Look, boy. Boy. Come on, Kay. Island boy. Look at me. I'm cool, man. Island boy. Hey, I got attitude. Look.
There's the garlic bread toasting on the Grumpy grill. Alright, here's the finished product. Katie's putting salt and stuff all over hers, but you got spaghetti with ragu meat sauce, garlic toast. Timmy's just freaking piled up. Same thing. See, they got a little too toasted a little bit in some of them. You can't be asking for too much, Jackson. There's mine. We're gonna give Katie the
Taste this.
Grumpy taste test today. So go ahead, Katie.
Need more
Just taste
sauce,
test.
don't you?
No. I don't
Yeah.
like how much
I
pasta
don't know.
sauce.
Go ahead.
That's just sauce.
Taste
Can I
test.
mix it up?
Yeah. Can you eat it? You know what you're doing here?
We should have chopped those noodles up.
Now what you think about it? It's good on the campfire. Spaghetti on the campfire on the Grumpy Grill.
Hit that garlic bread right
There
quick.
you go. Hit that garlic bread. Let's hear that. Let's hear that crunch.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Does it taste good?
It's like fire.
Oh, see, it's fire. That means in the kid language, that means it's delicious.
That means it's good. Grumpy, stop.
All right, here we go. This is what.
No, go ahead.
This is what we got. We're gonna try.
I'll try it. Okay.
This might be a moto camping first, exclusive, coming from the bearded Grump people. If Timmy can get them open, but look, let me show y'all this.
God.
Cinnamon rolls, Grumpy Grill. We're gonna cook them cinnamon rolls over the fire on our Grumpy Grill. We're gonna try it. Has it ever been done? Who knows?
No.
Is it gonna be done today? Oh yes, it's gonna be done by us.
Way it will be.
Katie's gonna be the magic. Let's do it. Yeah. All right, there they go. They on there. What I'm gonna do? Take this. We're gonna roll this up. We're gonna make another top one, and we got hot coals under there, and we're just gonna have to keep flipping them. See if we can bake them that way. If we do this, Timmy, moto camping royalty,
We
son.
will be awesome.
Moto camping royalty right here. All right, let's see how they finally turned out. Uh-oh, getting ashes on them. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These stayed a little bit doughy, but them right there, all good in the hood, baby. Look at them. They worked. Oh, there you go. Drizzle it. Drizzle it.
Cinnamon buns.
There you go. Everything's on there. All right, taste it, Katie. We're giving you all the honors today. You'll take over all of our Grumpy Grill, our Grumpy duties.
Sure.
Like it? You trying pretty good? Oh yeah, let me get it. Well, good morning, everybody. And Sleepyhead finally woke up here. I'll see how she slept last night. How'd you sleep last night, Sleepyhead?
Good.
Huh?
Good.
Did you get cold or anything?
No.
Did you hear that coyote?
Yeah.
Did you like that?
Not really.
We're just getting everything packed up. Just had a simple breakfast. Getting our camp cleaned up, all of our trash cleaned up. Timmy's getting his bike packed up right there.
Yep. Good morning, everybody.
And
Good morning, Katie.
just getting everything packed up. He's got his tent up. Me and Katie's got to take our tent down. And we're packing up and getting out of here. What you think about that, Katie? How'd you like your first moto camping trip?
Yeah.
Was it alright?
Yeah.
Alright. So yeah, we're gonna get packed up and head out of here. And we appreciate y'all watching as always. If you hadn't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted when new content comes out. And we'll see y'all in the next one.